In this video, we're covering the topic of backups. Backups are very important because even if your site breaks, you can have it back up and running in no time by simply uploading the last working version of your site. To create a backup, simply go to Backup and Migration in the main menu of WP Staging. There, you will find a very big blue button, Create Backup, so simply click on that. Enter the date, because normally it makes sense to have an idea of when you created this backup. I'm just going to call it 20XX and then a couple more X's to make sure that this is my fake date here. And then I'm just going to call it backup of the site. In my case, it's a Divi site. Let's just call it Divi. After that, you can make some changes, but I would recommend not applying any changes because you want to have a full backup of your site. So then you can click on Start Backup. Now, as you can see, this is lightning fast. There's a couple of other backup plugins that I've been using in the past that some of them were relatively fast, but nothing comes close to WP Staging. So even if your site is like a gigabyte or larger, it often only takes like a minute or two to create the entire backup, or in this case, just 20 seconds or something like that. So you're done with this. You can look at the log, but there's no need for that because it says backup is complete. So simply close this message. After your backup is concluded, make sure to also download it, because if something happens to your web server, the backup is going to be gone with your website. So click on Actions and then you just click on Download, select a folder. In my case, I'm just going to save this under Documents, and then I'm going to save this backup. And now you're basically done. This is your very first backup. And in the next video, I can explain to you how to upload it if something breaks on your site.